Experiment number 5, reconstitution of drugs, but now we will use a glass ampule. This is the difference from the last week. The order of constituents should be from left to right, as you can see. First of all, the surgical blade, 2 alcohol swabs, the first syringe 5 ml. This is the glass ampule. Filter to get rid from the sharp waste after breaking the glass ampule. And a second syringe, also 5 ml, to take the dose from the reconstituted solution inside this vial to the IV bag to be delivered to the patient in the hospital. At your left should be the sharp container. We will start using the surgical blade to open the vial, the cover of the vial. Get rid from the surgical blade inside the sharp container. The alcohol swab. Wiping the surface of the rubber 3 times for both the vial and the IV bag. Now we will break the neck of the glass ampule using the second alcohol swab. Make a hollow. Insert the neck of the glass ampule after tapping. Wiping. Then now break it away from you. The thumb should be on the thumb. And get rid from the waste inside the sharp container. Now we will withdraw 5 ml from the sterile water for injection. Using the first syringe. Notice that there is no leakage from the glass ampule. Adjust the volume to 5 ml after removing the air bubbles. It is now 5 ml sterile water for injection. Before we dilute the powder inside the vial, we should get rid from the sharp waste that was introduced inside the syringe. So that we'll, by scoop method, cover the needle and put the filter like this way. And now we will empty the liquid inside the vial, and it will be filtered using this filter. In the same way, bevel up position. First of all, 45-degree angle to touch, then 9-degree angle to insert. Now we'll remove the needle inside the sharp container. Visual inspection with shaking to mix the powder with the diluent. Then we will use the second syringe to withdraw 3 ml as a dose for the patient to be introduced inside the IV bag. Should be fitted the needle to the syringe. Your hands should be away from each other. This is the safest way to open the cover of the needle. Now we'll adjust the volume to 3 ml so that the syringe is filled by air, 3 ml. Bevel up. Inverted position. The lumen inside the liquid and push up the plunger. Waiting for the liquid to go down. You should avoid touching the critical sites, for example, the hub of the needle and the needle itself and the inside part of the plunger. You should avoid touching them by your hands, by your gloves. These are called critical sites. The needle should be now inside the air of the vial to remove the bubbles. Adjusting the volume to 3 ml. It is now 3 ml. The last step, inside the small port of the IV bag, inserting in the bevel up position also the needle. Emptying the antibiotic reconstituted solution inside the IV bag. The IV bag is considered as an open system so that we will not wait the air to come back inside the syringe. Scoop method to remove the needle inside the sharp container, and now visual inspection for any incompatibilities and so that it is ready to go to the patient.